Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, grade 4. Today we will solve exercise on dividing a whole number by another. Exercise 1. Complete using suitable sign, more than, less than, or equal. Letter A. Here we have 9656 divided 34 and 9656 divided 17. As you know, and I will remember you, if we have the same dividend but the different divisor, the smallest divisor, the greatest quotient. The smallest divisor, the greatest quotient. For example, if we have 12 books and we have two groups, the first group contain of 6 students. So we will distribute equally this box. So 12 among 6 students, each student will take 2 books. يعني احنا عملنا ايه دلوقتي؟ عملنا 12 divide 6 equal 2 books. But the second group, we will distribute this 12 books among them. How many students here? Here we have 4 students. So 12 divided 4 equal 3. Each person or each student will take 3 books. So here we have 17 and 34. So 9656 divided 17 greatest than 9656 divided 34. Like that. Okay, this is the answer. Letter B. 56 divided 7 into the bracket times 10, and 560 divided 7. The first way 10 times the dividend, 10 times 56. Okay, 10 times 56, we will get 560 divided 7. Why we don't times 7 by 10? Because if we have a number into the bracket, and here we have number and time and the multiplication sign, okay, so this number multiply the dividend only, not the divisor. Okay, so here we have, when we times 10 by 56, we will get 560. So 10 times 56 equal 560. Okay, 560 divided 7. So we have into two sides, we have 560 divided 7. Okay, this is the first way. Or we can 56 divided 7, do dividing operation. 56 divided 7 equal 8, and the 8 times 10 equal 80. Okay, equal 80. But in the other side, if we have 560 divided 7, put 0 as it and cover 0. So here we have 56 divided 7 equal 8. So the two sides are equal. Letter C. 100 times 4384 divided 32, and the other side, here we have 43,840 divided 32. Okay, like the previous example. So 100 will tie or will multiply 4384. So 100 times 4384. As we know and as we said before, the number and the times. Okay, the number will multiply the dividend, will multiply only the dividend. So we will get here the 20, but 20, and the number as it 4 8. So we get 438,400. Okay, divided what? Divided 32. Okay, so here we have the same divisor, but the different dividend. Okay, so the more dividend, or the greatest dividend, the greatest quotient, the greatest dividend, the greatest quotient. So here we have 438,400, but here we have 43,840. Okay, so the 438,000 is more than 43,840. Okay, the second exercise, find the quotient and the remainder, if there is remainder. Okay, letter A, here we have 20,862 divided what? Divided 3. So by using long division, first we will start with divide. And the 2 divided 3 can't be, so we will take 20. So the first steps is divide. So 20 divided 3, what is the number? Times 3. What is the number times 3? Equal 20 or less than it. What is the number? If we multiply by 3, get the product or the result equal 20 or less than it. 6 times 3 equal 18, and 7 times 3 equal 21. So we must choose the number less than 20. So we will take 6. But before that, we say that 2 divided 3 can't be, so we must, we can put 0. So 6 times 3 equal 18. Equal 18, and the next step was the second step was multiply. 6 times 3 equal 18. So 0 minus 8 can't be. Borrow from 2 become 1, and 0 become 10. 10 minus 8 equal 2, and 1 minus 1 equal 0. The next step was, or the third step was subtract. So write subtract. Next step, down 8 beside 2. So after we do subtraction operation, we down the next number beside the result of subtraction operation. So the last step was down the number. Okay. 28. What is the number? What is the number? If we multiply by 3, get 28 or number less than it. As we know, 9 times 7 equal 9 times 3 equal 27, and 10 times 3 equal 30. So we choose 9. 9. So 9 times 3. 9 times 3. Okay. Equal what? Equal 9 times 3 equal 27. يبقى اول حاجه عملنا ايه؟ عملنا 28 divided 3. عملنا ايه؟ divide. بعد كده عملنا ايه؟ 9 times 3. عملنا times. بعد كده هنعمل ايه؟ الماينس. 8 minus 7 equal 1, and 2 minus 2 equal 0. Okay, the next step or the last step was down 6. Okay, so here we have here we have 16. 16 divide 3. What the number? Multiply. If we multiply by 3, get number equal or the product equal 16 or less than it. 5 times 3 equal 15, and 6 times 3 equal 18. So we choose 5. So here we write 5. Then we we multiply 5 by 3. So 5 times 3 equal 15. So 6 minus 5. So the next operation is subtraction. 6 minus 5 equal 1, and 1 minus 1 equal 0. Okay, the fourth operation or steps, we down 2 beside the result of subtraction operation. Okay, let's start with the first step. Divide. 12 divided 3. 12 divided 3. What is the number times 3 equal 12? So 4 times 3 equal 12. Let's write it. And 4 times 3. 4 times 3 equal what? Equal 12. This is the second step. So write 12. The third step was minus or subtract. 2 minus 2 equals 0, and 1 minus 1 equals 0. Okay, so the quotient equal or the result equal 6,954. 6,954. Okay. Okay. Letter B. 675,374 divided what? Divided 7 by using also long division. Okay, let's start. The first step was divide. Start with the largest or the greatest place value. Here we have 6. Okay, 6 divided 7 can't be, so put 0. 67, we take 7, so 67 divided 7. What is the number? Multiply by 7, get the result equal to 67 or less than it. As we know, 9 times 7 equals 63. Okay, 9 times 7 equals 63. Seven minus 3 equal 4, and 6 minus 6 equal 0. Why we don't take or choose 10? 10 times 7 equal 70, and 8 times 7 equal 56. So the nearest number was 63 and 63 was 9 times 7. Okay, so first we divide, then multiply. 9 times 7 equal 63, then minus 67 minus 63, and you get the result 4. Then down what? Down 5, down 5 beside 4. So here we have 45. What is the number? Time is 7 and the result equal 45 or less than it. 6 times 7 equal 42, and 7 times 7 equal what? Equal 49. So we write 6 times 7 equal 42. Write 42. 6 times 7, so we do division, we do multiplication, then subtraction. 5 minus 2 equal 3, sorry, and 4 minus 4 equal 0. Okay, after that we down 3 beside 3, so we have 33. Okay, what's the number? Times 7 and get a number nearest to 33 or less than it. Equal 33 or less than it. 4 times 7 equal 28. And as we know, 5 times 7 equals 35, and 35 is more than 33, so we choose 4 times 7. Again, we down 33. After that, we start with the first step. Divide 33 divided 7. We choose 4 because 4 get the 4 times 7 equal 28, and 28 less than 33. Okay, so 4 times 7, we do multiplication, then we will do now subtraction. 3 minus 8 can't be, so borrow from 3. We change the color, sorry. So 3 become 2, and 3 here become 13. 13 minus 8 equal 5, and 2 minus 2 equal 0. then down. بعد ما خلصنا minus عملنا ايه؟ هنعمل دلوقتي down. اوكي، هننزل 7. اوكي، يبقى عندي 57 divided what? Divided 7. So we will choose what? 8. Excellent, we will choose 8 because 8 times 7 equal what? 8 times 7 equal 56. Okay, so first 57 divided 7, then 8 times multiplication, يبقى 8 times 7 equal 56. Then minus, and you get 1. 7 minus 6 equal 1, and 5 minus 5 equal 0. Then we will down 4. And write 14. Okay, so 14 divide 7 equal what? 2 times 7 equal 14, so we will choose 2. And 2 times 7 equal 14. Then we will subtract them. 4 minus 4 equal 0, and 1 minus 1 equal 0. So what is the number or the quotient? 96 96,482. 96,482. Letter C, 60,466 divided what? Divided 13, also by long division. So by using long division, 60,466 divided 13. Okay, let's start. First step was divide. Divide what? 6 divided 13 can't be, so put 0. So we take 60. Okay, or from the start we take 2 digit because the divisor is 2 digit. Okay, 60 divided 13. What we will do? What will we do? So first we take 60 divide 13. So first we will cover 3 and 0. يبقى اول حاجه نعملها ايه؟ هنغطي او نعمل cover على 3 وال 0. يبقى بعد ما عملنا cover على 3 وال 0 يبقى عندي ايه؟ 6 divided 1. 6 divided 1 equal what? Equal 6. The second step, 6 times 13. 6 times 3 equal 8, and you carry up 1. 6 times 1 equal 6 plus 1 equal 7. So here we get 78. Okay, but 78 is more than 60. So we will back by one step. So 5, or reverse by one step. 5 times 13. I will solve it quickly. 5 times 13 equal 65. Okay, 65 is more than 60. So 4. 4 times 13 4 times 13 equal 52. So the nearest number here is 52. 52 is the nearest number to 60 and less than it, so we will take 4. In quotient we write it in quotient. So 4 times 13 equal 52. عملنا ايه؟ عملنا time. 4 times 13 equal 52. Then subtract. 0 minus 2 can't be, so borrow from 6. 6 become 5 and 0 become 10. 10 minus 2 equal 8, and 5 minus 5 equal 0. Then down 4 and write 4 here. So here we get 84. 84 doesn't belong here, so increase 6. So 7 times 13 equal 91. 7 times 13 equal 91. So we will choose what? We will choose 6, because 6 is the nearest number to 84 and less than it, so write 6 in the quotient. Well, حاجة عملنا divide. 84 divided 13 equal what? Equal the nearest number 6. عشان 6 تديني كام؟ تديني 72. Okay, then multiply 6 times 13 equal 78, and the next step minus, but minus, and 4 minus 8 can't be, so it becomes 7, and 4 become 14. 4 become 14. Okay, 14 minus 8 equal what? Equal 6. And 7 minus 7 equal 0. Okay, the next step, down 6. So here we get 66. What is the number nearest to this number 66? 65. So 5 times 13. 5 times 13 equal 65. Then put minus. Subtract 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 equal 1, and 6 minus 6 equal 0. The next step, down 6 beside 1, so get 16. What is the number nearest to it? Oh, 1 times 13 equal 13, but 2 times 13 equal 26, so we choose 1 and write 1 in quotient, and minus 6 minus 3 equal what? 6 minus 3 equal 3. Okay, look at this. Oh, this is remainder. Why we say the 3 here is remainder? نقول السبب. The first reason is there is no number here to put it beside 3. يعني مش هنضطر نعمل داون تاني. تمام. في حاجة تانية؟ لا خلاص، احنا كده عندنا بس ال 3 دلوقتي. طيب ما نقدرش لا نعمل اي حاجة، يعني ما ينفعش مثلا نقول 3 divided 13. خلاص طالما احنا نزلنا اخر نمبر وعملنا له الماينس وطلع عندي result غير الزيرو، يبقى ده الريميندر اللي عندي. تمام. okay, so 3 here is the remainder. The quotient 4651, and the remainder هنرمز له بالR equal 3. Letter D, 59,473 divided 24. By using linear division, we start from 59 because here we have here we have 2-digit in divisor, so we start also with 2-digit in dividend. So 59 divided 24, we will cover 9 and cover 4. So 5 divided 2, what is the number times 2, and get the product equal 5 or nearest to it, يعني less than، لازم يبقى less than. تمام. يبقى 2 times 2 equal 4. So 5 divided 2 يعني هنقول ايه ان هو equal 2 or we choose 2. So 2 times 24 equal 2 times 24 equal 42. So 42 is nearest 59, but to check your answer, we times 24 by, we will multiply 24 by 3, and the result equal 72. So 72 is more than 59, so we choose 2 times 24. So right here 2 times 24 equal 48. 9 minus 8 equal 1, and 5 minus 4 equal 1. Then down 4. 9 cancel 4. Okay, so here we have 114. 4 times 24 equal 96. Let's try another number. 5 times 24 and 4 become 14, and 4 become 14. 14 minus 6 equal 8, and 0 minus 9 can't be, so take or borrow from 1, so 1 becomes 0, and 0 become 10. 10 minus 9 equal 1, so here we have 18. 7 down 7, and you cancel it. Okay, 187. Let's try 6 times 24. 6 times 24. 6 times 24 equal 144, and 7 times 24 equal 168, and 24 times 9 equal 192. So what is the number we will choose? We will choose 7. 7 times 24 equal 168. So put here 7, and 7 times 24 equal 168. Seven minus 8 can't be, so take from 8, and 8 becomes 7, and 7 become 17. 17 minus 8 equal 9. Right, 9, sorry. 7 minus 6 equal 1, and 1 minus 1 equals 0, so down 3. What is the number nearest to 193? Is 192. 8 times 24 192. 8 times 24 equal 192, minus 3 minus 2 equal 1, and 9 minus 9 equals 0, and 1 minus 1 equals 0. So here we get remainder equal 1. Why we say that 1 is remainder? Because here there is no number we can put it down beside 1. Okay, so 1 is remainder. So 59,473 divided 24 will equal, يبقى الكوشنت عندي 2478, and the remainder equal what? Equal 1. Thank you.